Hi, this is Mark with Ultimate Motors doing a walk around of our 2017 Chevy Tahoe for you. I'm going to come back on a close-up on everything. I'm just doing a wide shot. She does sit on a very nice set of Michelin tires, recently replaced. We did have the vehicle state inspected and oil changed recently. Okay. Small little touch-up right there. You can barely see it, but there was a touch-up right there. Very nice Michelin tires. Very clean bumpers. A little smudge right there. Very clean interior, very clean seats. It does have 2 keys. This is the scratch in the tint that we were referring to. We're going to take care of this, but just noting it. Vehicle does have quad seating. Does come with entertainment package, and we do have both headphones. And the remote for it. This vehicle does have 3rd row seating. It is power 3rd row. Very clean carpeting. The 2nd row also folds, power folds. It does the power folding is only when you want to fold it back up, fold it up. You will power it back down manually. So that's you manually bring it back. So I do this with one hand. That's how you manually bring it back. So it folds down by power and it's manual backup. Driver's seat looks really good. Area to note: all Chevys do this. You have some fraying and on the side from being squished down all the time. So it's not on the top; it's on the bottom. It does not affect the longevity of the seat. But just want to note that to you right there. So you have that again. So it's not on the top where you sit on it. Just on the bottom is squished. And what it is, this is not leather material. They use a cheaper material here and it gives out over time. No wear on the buttons. All the buttons look really good. No wear. Starting the vehicle up. $127,458 odometer. It is equipped with full navigation, backup camera, dual climate control, and dual heated seats. USB port and power plug. 2 keys. Books are in the glove box. Sunroof. Tilt up and down. Nice quiet engine, and she has 4-wheel drive. Let's look at the engine real quick. Again, tires are all very good. Full-size spare. She's clean underneath.